Hey butterflies, it's Melissa. I know it's been a really long time since you've seen my beautiful face on this channel. I just have not feeling it. If you've even noticed on my Instagram, I just haven't been posting. It's been a number of things. One, my job has been crazy, like my day job, and just getting settled and all that kind of stuff. Things are finally starting to feel right, but now I'm going to be teaching a new subject next year. So we're kind of back at square one, but not fully. So hopefully I will figure this work-life balance out a little bit better this next year. Also, let's be honest. Well, this is why I'm doing this video is why did I change my channel name? This has been this will be the third name that this channel has had. I've had several side channels over the years and things like that, but I found that it's better to keep everything in one spot. You may have also noticed that I had a bunch of videos like from when I started in 2010 that I had unlisted that are now relisted again. So you can go watch some OG beauty videos. So I changed the name to Life of a Butterfly because I still love the idea of keeping it butterfly themed and things like that. But if you didn't know, my original channel was called History Beauty because I'm a history teacher and it was a beauty channel. Then I changed it over to Butterfly Planner, which is my sticker shop name, when I switched my channel over from being beauty to planner related. I'm now changing again. Like I said, it's going to be Life of a Butterfly. So just how my life is changing, how things have changed. Like I said, I've had this channel since 2010 and yeah, it's just a lot of things have changed in my life over the last 13 years. So I figured they've changed over your life too. And I kind of want this channel to reflect that. If you see me looking down, I made myself a little cheat sheet to make sure like I hit all the points that I want to hit. So what started this was that my friend Gwen, who I will link her channel down below, and I were talking about how we just don't watch YouTube that much anymore. And we realized it's because there wasn't anything that we really enjoyed watching anymore. There are a few channels that we both were like, oh yeah, I still watch that. But they're still very like OG, old school, like channels, beauty channels. Hi Daisy, you want to say hi to everybody? Say hi. Say hi, Daisy. So we were talking about how we miss those and we miss making videos like that and that we should just do it. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm just bringing you my intro video to kind of like explain why I did it, I'm doing it, all that kind of stuff. Basically, I enjoy making content like this, but I just haven't lately because I feel like I was put in a box and I had to stay there. So I'm taking myself out of that box. And yeah, so there will still be planner content, not as much, maybe one or two plan with me's here and there. I will be completely honest with you. I don't watch plan with me's, and after making them for I think I made them for 4 years straight, I'm bored with it. I know how I plan. It's pretty much the same thing every week. I may show you different strategies I've come up with or like for my teacher planner, that kind of stuff. But yeah, that's about it. And if I have hauls and things like that, I will bring those in too. So yes, I have changed since 2010. I used to live in California. I now live in Oklahoma to be closer to family and for work and all that kind of stuff. And I have changed as a person. I'm older. I'm 13 years older. I'm in my early 40s. And so there are things that I enjoy more now. And that's what this channel is going to be. It's going to be things that I enjoy. So the big thing that sparked this is that I've been on what I'm calling my cleaner beauty journey. I'm not fully clean, with my beauty. I'm still learning what there is, including literally this morning. I thought I had a clean product and I looked at it again and I was like, nope, it's got bad ingredients in it. Even though this brand touts itself as being clean or like good for you, they don't actually say clean, but that they're good for you, then they're not. And we'll get into that in a different video. So cleaner beauty, my cleaner beauty journey, all that kind of stuff. There'll be videos about that, including cleaner eating, gardening, recipes. Clean with me is my office and bedroom are disasters, and especially my office. And so you will see that kind of stuff, me organizing, and basically just anything that I want to see on YouTube or want to make. And of course, there will still be vlogs. If I go anywhere, I'll have them. I'm still gonna do like day in the life of a shop owner. I'm looking over at my computer, like that's gonna, like you can see that. Things like that. Maybe my design process. I might have a couple draw with me's. Those I tend to just speed up though and put them on like TikTok and Instagram. But yeah. So that is the plan. I hope you're excited as much as I am. And yeah, if you are excited to go with me on this journey, I'll leave a comment below and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.